Hello beauty babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I lay my baby hairs and my lace just with Eco Styler gel. Now, just a disclaimer, as you can see, the baby hairs are already pre-cut because this wig is extremely old. So this video isn't going to be showing you how I cut them, but really just how I laid this and temporarily lay the lace with the Eco Styler gel. And I am only using Eco Styler gel, literally Eco Styler gel only, the green olive oil one, and to be more specific, and an edge brush and obviously a wrap to wrap it down because it just holds better once you do that. Now this video is going to be left in 100% real time, like this is my real speed because I wanted to show you exactly how it looks. I'm not cutting the video or anything like that. I wanted to show you exactly everything that I do to get the look that I went for in the pictures and in the end of the video that you will see. So if you would like to see that, then just stay tuned. Okay, so now at the sideburn part of the wig, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit more gel than I did for the rest of the hair, just because it'll kind of seep through the lace, I guess you can say, and kind of just act like I put a gel down there. And once I wrap it, you'll see when I take it off, like it's not as stuck as probably Got To Be or actual wig glue would make it, but it's stuck enough to where the lace isn't lifting, which is sometimes just what people want. So I put a little bit extra gel on that part and still do the sideburns to my best abilities. And in some clips, like as you see me doing right now, sometimes the hair gets a little long, even though these baby hairs are already pre-cut. You know, different situations happen, so I am going to be trimming them with just some scissors. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you continue to watch. Alright, beauty babe, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this wrap and reveal the baby hairs. Oh, Jesus. Ooh. And since I was using the gel, the Eco Styler gel is sticky enough to where it'll like hold down the lace very little bit. You obviously don't want to tug on it like a bunch because it's not like as sticky as the Got To Be, but it's sticky enough to hold it down, you know, for a quick little moment or whatever. You know, it's wintertime, so you're not really gonna be sweating like that probably anyway for this to work just as good. This is just what I do for my temporary quick little fix thing. But yeah, I'm still kind of new to the whole baby hair thing, to be honest, so don't cover me if you don't like them. It's just how I like them. They could be a lot worse. Obviously I like this side better than this side, but that's okay because I typically go like this. I don't really have it behind my ear in the first place. This is how it looks. But yeah, thank you for watching today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.